Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing with you the history of the powers of 10. So here is civilization's impact on numbers. So when civilization progressed and states swelled into large empires, there were more numbers that needed to be counted. Very unsurprisingly. For example, maybe a state originally needed to count, let's say, the number of corn crops over there needed to feed the citizens, but that was only a few hundred or a few thousand. When they progressed into empires, they would need to count even more, maybe millions or hundreds of millions as they progressed. In ancient Greece, the largest numeral available was the myriad. That equaled to 10,000. $10,000 isn't a lot because now we are using numbers such as millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions. Those are all real numbers. Those are all real numbers, but they're way bigger than 10,000. 10,000 is 10 to the power of 4. And a trillion is 10 to the power of, let's see, a billion is 10 to the power of 9, so a trillion is 10 to the power of 12. So that's showing us that we use bigger numbers today. So other than that, a myriad equated to 10 million. 10 million is a big number. As you can see here, it's 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, which means that it's 10 to the power of 7. But a number a little more, which is maybe 10 million and 1, or a little less, maybe 9,999,999 would be very laborious to write down and even more so to calculate. In 190 BCE, Chinese mathematicians found and used a way of using the power of 10 to simplify things. Just like this equation, 7.2 times 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6 is 1 million. So 7.2 times 1 million is 7,200,000. That's why these equations are very good. They're easy to figure out numbers, and you just have to multiply 10 by a specified 10 to the power of a specified amount multiplied by some number, and you'll get another number that's easy to calculate. Over here, as I said, this was found by Chinese mathematicians in 190 BCE. Any number could be written to be accurate with a few digits, then multiplied by 10 several times to show its value. This is another example, and over here, 10, and then this thing, and 5 is 10 to the 5th power. 10 with a caret, then 5 is 10 to the 5th power, or 10 to the power of 5. To the power of denotes how many times it's multiplied by itself. So 10 to the power of 5 is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That's 5 times, and that means that it's 1 followed by 5 zeros. That makes it easier for you to calculate it. So that means that 10 to the 5th power is 100,000. So here is a graphical representation of this. This is 1, which is 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 1 is 10. 100 is 10 to the power of 2, since there's 2 zeros. 1,000 is 10 to the power of 3. 10,000 is 10 to the power of 4. 100,000 is 10 to the power of 5. As you can see over here, that's 1 bar, and there's 10 of those over here. 1 million is 10 to the power of 6. 10 million is 10 to the power of 7. 100 million is 10 to the power of 8. And 1 billion is 10 to the 9th power. So this is a graphical representation of 10 to the 0th power until 10 to the 9th power. So in conclusion, numbers can be calculated very accurately using the powers of 10, and also this discovery was possibly caused by civilization progressing, I mean. So thank you for watching this video. Please click subscribe and click that bell icon if you want to get notified. And if you liked my video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, enjoy my channel. Bye.